All rise. Judge about to be court in session. Judge, this is the case of Schaefer.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Mr. Schaefer, you brought this case before the court, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, go ahead. What's going on?
Well, my son was married to the respondent, and he died. They had a child that's now 3 years old that has been left in my custody, and I'm asking for some sort of relief or support because I'm retired from the military and I'm on a fixed income.
Okay. First of all, my condolences for the loss of your son.
I appreciate that.
And thank you for your service as well.
Well, thank you.
How long has the child lived with you?
2 years.
2 years. Has mom given you any support for the child?
No, she hasn't.
She hasn't bought anything.
Not significantly, no.
All right, get ready. This case is about to turn wild. A retired military vet is raising his 3-year-old grandson all alone, while the boy's mother, she's out there traveling the world and dropping $5,000 every month on a luxury condo. But here's the kicker. She hasn't paid even a single penny in child support. Not 1 cent. And now she's standing in court trying to explain how she can afford a jet set, but not support her own child. Will the judge believe her excuses? Or is reality about to hit like a legal freight train? Let's dive in.
I've just now come to the point where I need some relief and I need some help.
I agree with that. Ma'am?
Well, I've been traveling. My job had me traveling a lot, and I was in between jobs. I'm making $35,000 now.
Okay.
And, you know, I'm
Where
not...
are you traveling?
Well, I'm a travel agent.
Okay.
So because of that, I can just travel. I get discounts, and I get to fly free. So...
Oh, my God, that is amazing.
So-
But that has nothing to do with you giving some sort of financial support
I didn't
to this.
have it.
Excuse me, I was talking. That has nothing to do with you giving financial support to this man for the support of your child. Your child, not his child, your child.
But it is my child, that is correct. But like I said, my job had me traveling, and I really didn't have the extra money.
What are you doing with yourself every day? What do you do? Tell me about your traveling.
Well, I had got this new condo for one thing, and you know that.
Wait a minute. You got a condo and you're traveling?
Yeah.
But you,
So let me get this straight. Mom has been off traveling for work, living her best life, but hasn't put in a dime toward her child's upbringing. Not even some grocery money. Not even a simple Target gift card. Meanwhile, Grandpa, retired and living on a fixed income, is handling everything for this child. If that doesn't get your blood boiling, just wait. It gets worse.
Well, I'd rather not say.
no, I'd rather you say,
Because-
how much is this condo?
It's pretty steep. It's pretty steep.
Ma'am, what does that
And
mean?
it-
That means nothing to me. Steep. You know how many people come in here with things that are steep? I need a number.
I like to live nice, and so I paid $5,000.
See, you know what? You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
really,
you
I
did.
didn't. And I
Ma'am,
really
yes, you
didn't
did.
have
I've asked you a very specific question. How much is your condo?
Well, I pay $5,000 a month.
$5,000 a month? Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
is this 3-year-old in daycare?
Yes, he's in preschool because he has some special needs.
How much is daycare?
Daycare runs about $300 a week.
$300 a week.
Don't you get some kind of this?
And don't you
No.
just need to wait your turn until I come to you. I'm not talking to you. Thank you. Sir, $300 a week. And what type of special needs does the child have?
3, rewrite. Hold on. Did she actually say she pays $5,000 a month for a condo? A condo she doesn't even stay in all the time. Yet can't give anything for a child's care? Folks, the math just isn't adding up. This is a point where the judge's patience starts wearing thin. And honestly, same here.
Okay. Does he have to, you have to pay for like any medical expenses?
He needs special counseling, and of course he has regular doctor visits.
Counseling? Does mom show up to any of those doctor's visits or anything?
Well, no, of course I haven't always told her, but I haven't expected her.
Exactly, you haven't given him any money either.
Well,
Well, I'm not talking to you still.
Now, I don't have anything against my former daughter-in-law. I mean, she was married to my son, but I do need a little more involvement and a little help.
I agree with you. It definitely, if she's spending $5,000 a month on a condo, I don't even stay in a condo,
I
ma'am.
need that. I have
Okay,
to
but
have
I
that.
need a condo. Can you give me your condo? Exactly. So your child support based on $35,000 a year. Are you carrying any type of health insurance on the child?
See, that's another thing, since I'm the child.
Yes.
Well, the child is autistic, so the child gets a check. So I don't understand why you need my money.
Okay.
Because you get
Again.
from the government
Again.
with the
Excuse
kid.
me.
For me, my child.
Excuse me. Last time I checked, I was the judge.
You are.
Okay, thanks. That means that I asked the questions and I addressed him, he addressed me.
Okay.
You do not address him.
All right.
Okay?
Understand.
How much is health insurance for the child only?
I have no idea what health insurance is for the child.
So obviously you don't pay it. Sir, how much is health insurance for the child
It's
only?
just short of $400.
Short for the child only?
Yes,
Ma'am, you...
I'm covered under the VA.
Well, I thought he was getting
No,
government.
well, I thought you should have been giving him something for child support.
Here's another shocker. The little boy is autistic, which means he needs extra care, therapy, and medical expenses. And mom, she hasn't been showing up to doctor's appointments. No calls, no visits, no checking in. Yet somehow she has the nerve to walk in here acting like she's the one being wronged. Seriously, make it make sense.
2 years, you say?
2 years.
So not only am I going to make you pay child support, ma'am, you're going to pay back pay as well.
I can't afford that.
Guess what? Sell your condo, then you can afford that. So I have your gross based on $35,000 a year at $2,916.67. And you said the health insurance is $400 a month?
Yes.
That's pretty steep based on, well, not that your coverage is not steep, but in Texas, we're only allowed to take 9% of her gross. So based on 9%, it'll be $262.50.
Will that start, can you give me maybe 3 months before that starts so I can rebudget my bills?
Let me think about that. No. So $262.50.
I had a question. Why are you being so hard on me?
Ma'am, I'm not being hard on you. You have not given this man any type of child support to support
not
your
have
child,
any.
and then you come to court and say you don't have money, but you travel and you have a $5,000 a month condo, but you don't give him anything a month.
I don't have it. I just don't have
Well, I
it.
can't help you. So it's going to be, I have your child support obligation. And how many children do you?
And here comes a hammer. Not only is she being ordered to pay child support, but also back pay. The judge is not playing games today. And let's talk about her trying to ask for 3 extra months before payments even start. Girl, no. You've had 3 years to step up. That luxury condo? Looking more pointless than ever right now.
Let's see here. Sir, you said you all have a cordial relationship. Are you okay with continuing that health insurance?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and are you seeking any type of reimbursement from her on the health insurance?
No, I mean, it's all in the past.
Okay, well, you got really lucky. He cut you a break. So your child support obligation, your net comes out to $2,466.03. Your child support obligation comes out to $394.56. Now your back child support, that $394.56, you have to pay that back from the time that the child has lived with
Oh,
Mr.
wow,
Schaefer.
that's not
Yes,
fair.
ma'am. In Texas, it goes back 4 years. Your child is 3. So with that calculation, it comes out to $14,204.16 to be paid monthly at an amount of $200. That makes your total child support obligation set at, well, I'm gonna make it $300 because $14,000 is a huge amount. So that makes your monthly child support obligation $694.56.
I got some Yeah, I can show you, I just can't afford it.
And you know what? He has bills that he can show me as well, and you have not done anything. And you're lucky that he cut you a break because I didn't have to let him do that. Is there anything further, Mr. Schaefer?
That's all that I have,
Can
ma'am.
we talk and maybe we can talk amongst one another and see if we can come up with an agreement?
You're more than welcome to do that at a later date, but right now I just made my ruling. Do you have any other questions
I
pertaining
guess
to
not, since I have to pay all this money.
Okay, well, I guess you all are dismissed. Thank you.
And there you have it, justice delivered. Mom is now responsible for nearly $700 a month in child support, plus $144,000 in back pay. The judge saw straight through her excuses. And honestly, so did we. The real hero? Grandpa, raising his grandson alone while Mom was completely MIA. What do you think? Did the judge get it right? Or should Mom be paying even more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if this case shocked you, and subscribe for more unbelievable courtroom moments. See you in the next one.